Ever wish your simple drawing could turn into a cool cartoon image automatically with sketch to image and Insta Toon effect? You can do that in seconds using the S Pen. To do so, remove the S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. Then tap Drawing Assist. Tap Sketch to Image icon. Now draw something simple inside the box. Let's draw a simple ice cream. After drawing, choose Insta Toon as the effect. Then tap Generate. Wait a moment and the AI will transform your sketch into a cartoon style picture. When the result appears, you will see several options at the top of it. Tap the download icon to save it directly to your gallery. And that's it. Now you have a cool cartoon image from just a sketch, fun for icons, sticker, or profile picture. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.